viewers, let's begin with some big news that we are getting you from Jammu and Kashmir. And this is a Mega Times Now impact. In a huge development, Jammu and Kashmir government has ordered immediate withdrawal of the controversial book from the government school libraries, and action has also been initiated against all those responsible for its approval, procurement as well as circulation. The controversy surfaced after Jammu and Kashmir People's Forum alleged that a book supplied to government school libraries under the Samagra Shiksha scheme glorified separatist leaders and terrorists by portraying them as great personalities and legends of Jammu and Kashmir. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Ankit, joining us live right now for more on this. Ankit, this is a Mega Times Now Newsbreak impact. We brought up, the reactions as well on this particular story. And now we have learned that the government has ordered immediate withdrawal of this particular book.
Yes, absolutely. Times Bhavani Rakhwal, the Samarth Shiksha scheme director, has confirmed Times Now that the book has been withdrawn and all the books have been withdrawn from the school libraries. Look, how does the BJP was also questioning about this book. In this book, we have shown how the separatist leaders are being printed in this book, and this clearly glorifies the separatism and the terrorism. Now, this is a mega impact, what we are learning, and the director of the Samarth Shiksha scheme has just confirmed to the Times Now that all the books which are being distributed in the library has been withdrawn, and the action will be initiated against those who have given the approval for this particular book. When this book was published, there was also a controversy, but when this book has given, when the committee gave the green signal to this particular book, this book was distributed in the libraries of the Jammu and Kashmir government schools.
Right.
What we are learning is that now the books which were distributed in the schools have been withdrawn, and this is the mega impact.
Right.
We were questioning to the government. The BJP was also questioning. The Jammu Kashmir People Forum was also questioning to the government.
Right.
How does this book
Ankit,
has
also
been
for the benefit of our viewers, can you help us understand why this book became so controversial?
Yes, let me give the background of this particular book. This book name is The Personality and the Legends of Jammu and Kashmir. In this particular book, we have seen the separatist leaders, including the Maqbool Butt, which is being headlined as the Shahid Maqbool Butt. Another name is Shabir Shah. Another name is Gilani. And these, everyone knows that Masrat Alam is also included in this book. Everyone knows that these are the separatist leaders, and these are the ones who are responsible for the unrest in Jammu and Kashmir. And this is the book which was given a green signal by the Jammu and Kashmir government under the scheme Samarth Shiksha scheme, and this book was being distributed in the Jammu and Kashmir government schools library, and BJP was also questioning regarding this book. Times Now has accessed this book, and we have shown to the viewers how this book was glorifying the terrorism. Now the question rises in the committee which was done, and how the committee gave the green signal to this particular book, and how come this book was distributed in the library of the Jammu and Kashmir government schools. This was the question Times Now was asking to the government. Now,
right.
What we are learning is that, and the director of the Samarth Shiksha
right.
scheme has confirmed Times Now that yes, the
right.
book has been withdrawn.
Right.
And
I'm just interrupting you there, request you to please stay on with us. We have Abhijit Jasrotia, BJP spokesperson, joining us on the broadcast as well. Good evening, Mr. Abhijit. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. After the controversy, erupted on that particular book, which was in a way glorifying separatists. Now, the latest is Jammu and Kashmir government has ordered immediate withdrawal of that book from the government school libraries and also has initiated action against those who were responsible for approval, its procurement and circulation. Your first reaction to this big development?
This was really obnoxious, the way these books were promoted in Jammu and Kashmir, and that too by the Education Department and the government headed by Mr. Omar Abdullah. Now, if they have taken the action, that's the right action against such sort of people who are promoting separatism, who are promoting terrorism, and who are supporting the Pak-sponsored stooges who were acting in Jammu and Kashmir. Because we have lost many lives because of this nefarious design of Pakistan in Jammu and Kashmir. There are more than 1.5 lakh graves of innocent people. And people have suffered all due to such sort of separatism, ideology, and terrorists which came across the border. Now, if an action is taken, that is the right action, and things should be taken this way, that such sort of things should not be repeated in future. Not only this, there is one more book, and that book is The Great Personalities of Jammu and Kashmir by Sushant Giri. There also they have tried to defame our great kings of Jammu and Kashmir, kings like Gulab Singh, Maharaja Hari Singh. They have defamed our kings also in that by calling them as corrupt kings. And they should remember, particularly Umar government should remember, these were those kings who have stood for Jammu and Kashmir. If we were not ruled by Britishers in Jammu and Kashmir, this was only because of our kings like Gulab Singh and Ranbir Singh. And in their books, if they are trying to defame our great Maharajas of Jammu and Kashmir, then we won't tolerate it.
All right, Mr. Abhijit Jasrotia, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Let me go back to my colleague Ankit, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Ankit, it's very good to see the kind of action that has been ordered in this particular case. The way government has ordered immediate withdrawal of this book and also action against those responsible for its approval, procurement and circulation. But the question many are asking is that how was it really approved? I mean, how did it reach the government school libraries in the first place?
Yes, absolutely. The question is that how the committee members who approved this book, after that the government has procured this book and this book was being distributed among in the Jammu and Kashmir school, government schools. And this is the question which Times Now was asking repeatedly. Now the inquiry has been initiated and in the inquiry we have to see who are the person who are responsible for this particular book, which gave the green signal to this book. And this book has been approved by the Jammu and Kashmir government, and this book was distributed in the government schools of Jammu and Kashmir. Let me tell you, first when book was drafted, after that we have seen this is the SOP. The committee was formed. The committee gave the green signal. It means they have given the approval of this book. After that, the book was being approved by the Jammu and Kashmir government. After that, this book was distributed among the schools of government schools of the Jammu and Kashmir. But now this is a Times Now impact. We have seen and we have talked to the we have talked to the
interrupting you there again. Stay on with us. We have Namrata Sharma of the Congress Party joining us on the broadcast as well. Good evening, Ms. Sharma. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. Your reaction to this huge development, the controversial book has now been withdrawn. J&K government has ordered immediate withdrawal of the controversial book that seemed to glorify separatists.
It's very unfortunate that such kind of book was released. It should have been should have been scrutinized before releasing such book, and after being published and after being releasing that, after a huge hue and cry, the book has been stopped. I feel that it's very unfortunate that those who treated Indians and like anything are not.
But Ms. Namrata Sharma, the question is, How could something like this really happen? And of course, it went to the libraries of government schools. So clearly, government knew what was happening and what was being mentioned in this particular book.
और वहाँ गुंडई की और टेररिस्ट लोगों को, जिनके लिए साफ कहा जाता है जिन्होंने लोगों को मार दिया, लोगों के लिए वहाँ मुश्किलातें की, फौज के ऊपर हमले किए, और जब ये माइग्रेशन हुई वहाँ से कश्मीरी पंडित की, उनमें जिनका रोल रहा उनको हीरोइक फिगर बना के और पर्सनालिटीज ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर बना के इस बुक में लाना, उनको ग्लोरीफाई करना, और इंडियन टेरिटरी को कहना कि इंडियन ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर, दिस इज द मोस्ट अनफॉर्चुनेट पार्ट। और कांग्रेस पार्टी इसके बिल्कुल खिलाफ है और इसकी पूरी तरह से मुखालफत करती है और कहती है कि इस बुक को रिलीज किया, इसको पब्लिश होने से पहले इसको चेक किया जाना चाहिए था, और जो लोग भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व है उनकी इंटेंशंस पे भी बिल्कुल संदेह है कि उन्होंने किस मैलाफाइड इंटेंशंस के साथ इस बुक को लिखा और उसको पब्लिश किया।
All right, Namrata Sharma ji, thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective.